So I've got my headset here. I just bought it about a week ago, and for a couple days this has been happening. And I read on the forum about bootloader mode, and I tried to go through the steps to take it out of that, and I don't think that's my problem. So I've got it here, and the only problem I'm having is it won't turn on. It'll charge, and everything works fine when it's plugged in, but it won't turn on normally. So I'll show you here. I'll hold down the power button and nothing happens, but if you notice, there's a blue light there that turns on, and if I let go, the light turns off. Anytime I press the button, that light just turns on, and I don't know why that happens. So if I take my cord here that's just plugged into the wall, if I take this cord and I plug it in to the headset, you can see it's plugged in now. Nothing happened still. It shows that it's charging down here, and if I hold the power button, it turns on. And now it's synced with the other Corsair things I have, and the only thing that's weird is this side doesn't light up. It just flashes blue. And then this side lights up fine. The mic still works, it still mutes. Ever since this has been happening, whenever I move the mic up and down to mute the mic, it doesn't notify me of that in the headset anymore. And when I turn it on and off, it doesn't notify me of power on or power off, and I have the setting turned on IQ. So I really have no idea what's happening with it. If anybody could help me, that'd be awesome.